Good morning, my people. This is the activities of Fulani herdsmen in Dikenafai, Ideato South local government. This is a farm located along Dikenafai Umudi Road, close to Fire Police Station. This is how herdsmen with house destroy farm crops. People's area doesn't sleep any longer. Move around their buildings, around their kids, around the environment. This is what they have done to this farm that is expected to harvest and sell, especially this pandemic. This is what people are suffering in this part of Imo State. This is it. This is how they consume a matured corn in this area. This is only a segment of the atrocity in this area. They have been doing this. Imagine what they do on a bit. Talk on side bush. Side. This one is on the this one happened road. Could you imagine what those who have been inside farm like Ugu have been suffering in the hands men of underworld? This is what people of Dikenafai has been encountering. Could you imagine? Just look at how them and their brothers have destroyed farm, and they have been destroying. You can't sleep. If you are living around this area I'm talking about, by 2 a.m., 3 a.m., even sometimes 12 midnight, you will see their movement, or you will perceive their movement along the road with their cows making all sorts of noise. This is what we are suffering. I call on security agencies to hastily come to the rescue of people of Dikenafai. Imagine. Could you imagine? Could you imagine?